Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to set up Zendesk organizations. So guys, the first thing that you actually need to do before everything, you need to go and to the Zendesk, Zendesk.com, the Zendesk official page, where you need to go and log into your profile. If guys, you do not have one, you can always go and register to Zendesk. But if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Zendesk videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So the first thing that we can see that we have is the get started page, where you can click here, get your account, ticketing system, agent productivity, messaging and live chat, and the help center. Also, we have everything about your tickets here. So you have your unsolved tickets, the pending tickets, recently solved tickets, and you can go even click on one ticket and edit it, merge it, mark it as spam or delete it. You can do whatever you want with one ticket also. Also, on this page, we have everything about your customers. So their names, emails, so you can go and change that up if you have the need. And you can, of course, go and add another customer. In the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. So we have your view profile, product updates, get help. So here, support help center, keyboard shortcuts, give feedback about privacy policy, and the sign out option. But guys, now let's see how you can actually set up Zendesk organizations. So this is pretty simple. You just need to follow these few steps to know how to do it. So drag the create organization action under Zendesk to the canvas, place the pointer on the action, and then click or double click the action. The create organization window opens, and then edit the label if, of course, that is needed. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and guys, of course, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye, guys.